Ignite Sweden is a non-profit organization that supports Swedish startups in the commercialization of their innovative solutions. We do this by matching startups with potential corporate and public sector customers and facilitate the first meeting. To participate in Ignite, you must be a startup or scale-up based in Sweden with a scalable product or service. You can be seeking a proof of concept, have a beta product, or a market-ready solution. Consultancies or listed companies cannot participate in our program. Startups established outside of Sweden can participate in selected international matchmaking events. We use our proven matchmaking process to connect startups with potential customers. We start by conducting a thorough needs assessment to identify the innovation needs of participating corporates and public sector organizations. Then, we scout for startups and match them with the participants based on those needs. We first look for startups who have actively applied for events. We then search for startups in our database with a combination of manual and AI scouting. If your startup is matched with a corporate or public organization, you will receive an invite to a matchmaking meeting. Our team will provide you with all the necessary information. The meetings are 20 minutes long, and the purpose is to explore potential collaboration opportunities. A few things to consider before creating your company profile. Provide as much information as possible about your company, ensure your profile is up to date and complete, apply for any matchmaking events that interest you, and attend our welcome session to better understand our process. Maybe you are creating a profile to apply for innovation grants or other projects. As an added bonus, our team may discover your profile while searching for a specific solution and match you with potential customers. Contact us if you have any questions.